Cladco Premium PVC decking boards are the strongest decking boards in the Cladco range, offering superb strength, resilience and durability. PVC decking is an ideal solution for those looking for a high quality, low maintenance decking area. Premium PVC decking is engineered with a dense PVC core that is encased in ASA resin, which is the most weather-resistant resin available on the market. Cladco Premium PVC decking gives a wood grain finish without the concern of fading, staining or scratching. Cladco Premium PVC decking boards measure 200mm wide and 32mm thick, providing superior strength and coverage over traditional timber decking. Unlike traditional timber decking, Cladco Premium PVC decking boards are mould, stain and scratch resistant, ensuring a long-lasting premium finish. Cladco PVC decking can also be installed low to the ground and in very damp-prone areas due to its moisture-resistant properties. This makes them the perfect choice for installation around pools, hot tubs and spa areas. For a seamless completion, use premium PVC bullnose boards and fascia boards.